Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with one of the latest Series 7 smartwatch in the market. So we have here the Watch 7 and we have the IW8, okay, one of the latest Series 8 smartwatch in the market. And we are going to compare the design as well as the menus and different functions available here, okay, available in 7 and the IW8. Okay, so we will have a comparison review of these two wearables. So if you have any questions regarding these comparison review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we have here the smartwatch fully loaded, okay, fully charged. So here in our left side we have the Series 7 and on our right side we do have the IW8 smartwatch. Okay, let's have a closer look here. As you can see here, almost the same in size. Okay, they have a glossy color, almost the same placement of the crown button as well as the pill shape button here. Okay, looking at it, seems like they just have the same body frame. Okay, so let's have a closer look here. Okay, very slim bezel. Okay, let me change this one so you can see the bezel here. Okay, so you can see both do have a very slim and of course proportional border here, black border. Okay, for the screen display you see the difference, very sharp, the same crisp graphics. Okay, very clear text here. Okay, so let's check on the menus here. Okay, on top here, okay, let me adjust. Okay, again, this is our Watch 7 and Watch 8 here. Okay, on top we have the settings here. The other one, as you can see, so direct. This one is a very simple approach. This one, it's somewhat sophisticated when it comes to the design of the quick access here. And we have the split screen. Okay, did you see the difference? Which is better? Okay, it shows the most recent application that you accessed. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. Okay, so different approach in providing in the layout of notifications here. Okay, so this one is much smaller. Okay, this one is much bigger. Okay, but of course each has its own icons also, which is good. Okay, on the right side we have, okay, the activity here, the heart rate for the other one, the sleep, okay, breathing guide, heart rate. Okay, see the heart rate. Okay, then to access the different menus here, so let's see, just press, okay, press. Okay, let's have a closer look at the menus. Okay, we have the list function here, pedometer, activity, okay, SpO2, the same option offering or the same functions. Okay, so let's take a look at the heart rate here. Let's check the layout. Okay, which do you think is better? Okay, let's check. Let's try to check which smartwatch has a faster result. Okay, 72 again. Okay, let's see. Okay, they almost have, oh, they have the same results here. Okay, how about the blood pressure here? Okay, let's just check the layout for the blood pressure. Okay, so we do have here the blood pressure. Okay, weather, let's see. Okay, the activity, or should we say the sports function here, exercise. It is labeled exercise here in the IW8. So seems like the IW8 do have a much better layout here. A colorful layout, I mean. Okay, so let's go for the walking here. Walking. Okay, so it counts for the steps, calories, BPM, and distance. Okay, so the same data. Okay, they gather the same data here. Distance, heart rate, calories. Okay, and steps. Almost the same layout also. Okay, go back. Yep. Okay, what else? So let's check. Do I have music control? Okay. How about the dial keys here? Let's check. Dial pad. We have a dial pad here. Do I have a call? Okay, so the IW8 do have a much better layout. Okay, when it comes to its Bluetooth call. Okay, it is categorized here as you can see. Okay, here it's not in the Series 7. So there's a lot of improvement over the layout when it comes to the Series 8. For that theme, we have a okay, we have here the style. So style 1 here, it is much better in the IW8. As you can see, you can really see right away the style. Okay, you have at least 5 styles here. Okay, for the i7 or the Series 7, we do have at least 8. Okay, but when it comes to providing data or information, I like the IW8. It's much more organized. Okay, what else? Let's go for the settings. Okay, style, screen display, brightness. Do I have NFC? Okay, password, almost the same. Feature offering. Okay, for the watch face here. Okay, so different watch faces preloaded in the smartwatch. Okay, here, so we also have different watch faces. Let's check if we do have the same watch face here, so we can compare the look. Okay, seems like we don't have. Okay, so different style. Okay, which has a better graphics here. Unlimited. So it's almost the same. Okay, but the layout or the UI for the IW8 is much better. Okay, Screen display dimming, you have it here. We also have it here. Let's push it to the okay. I guess the Series 7 will have a much brighter screen. Okay, if you put it in the highest level. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the design, okay, as well as the menus and features of the Series 7 versus the Series 8 smartwatch. The Watch 7 versus the IW8 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.